You're running Google Ads for your septic business, but the phone's not ringing. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Most contractors think they're doing everything right, but there's one big reason their ads flop. And today, I'm going to show you how to fix it. The biggest frustration I hear from septic business owners is this: we're spending money on ads, but barely getting any calls. You've got the trucks, the crew, the licenses, but no one's finding you. And when they do, they're clicking but not converting. That hurts, and it wastes your money. The real issue? Most septic ads don't match what people are really searching for. Your ad might say septic services when the homeowner is looking for septic tank replacement near me or emergency drain field repair. If your ads don't match their need at that moment, you're invisible, or worse, irrelevant. Here's what actually works. First, match your keywords to high-intent jobs like septic tank installation, drain field repair, or lift station service. Second, use ad copy that speaks directly to that need. Not just "we do it all," but licensed septic tank replacement, fast, reliable, and local. Third, send clicks to a focused landing page, not your home page. One page, one service, one call to action. Fourth, track every call and form submission so you can see what's working and what's wasting your budget. One of my clients followed this exact strategy. Within 2 weeks, they went from 0 calls to 5 solid leads and 2 booked drain field jobs. Same budget, completely different results. If your ads are not bringing in calls, it doesn't mean Google Ads don't work. It means they're not set up right yet. If you'd like help turning your septic ads into actual jobs, get in touch. I've helped many businesses just like yours to stop wasting money and start seeing profitable results. Sign up for a free phone consultation. The link is in the description below this video.